everybody, I hope you guys are doing well. If not, you guys gonna enjoy today's video, especially if you are someone who like decorating their house. I'm very excited for today's video because I never did a home decor haul on my channel. So this is my very first time. It's been like few weeks since I'm shopping for my home and my house is a complete mess right now. I thought before putting these things away, why not share these beautiful things with you? You might get the same things from your near stores right now. So for me, what kind of style I have? I love wood. I love very natural looking stuff. I like plants. I like white. I like black, like earthy tones. And I want my house to feel very comfortable, very easygoing. I really don't like shiny, glittery, and very, geometrical houses. So you feel scared to touch things and to sit on stuff. I want you guys to feel very comfortable in my house and very cozy vibe, that you don't have to fear like, oh my god, I don't want to make a mess. That kind of vibe. I hope I'm making sense. So my house theme is almost the same as my style. Maybe that's why I got this house. It's wood, it's white, and it's black. And now I'm gonna add greenery, like plants. You guys know how much plants I like. So yes, I'm gonna share decorative items with you. If you guys like this video, please give this video a huge big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And if you have any sort of request for me, please leave that in comment bar. I would love to work on that. And majority of my things are from winners. So the very first item I want to share with you is this beautiful vase and these beautiful plants. They are not together. I bought them separately. These flowers are from a store called EQ3. We went there for furniture shopping, but I didn't like anything, but these plants got my attention. So I thought, why not get these? They're so pretty and natural looking. It's very hard to find, artificial flowers which look very natural. So this is the thing I got. And now this pot, which is aged or vintage kind of look, this is very popular look these days. And I got this from thrift store for $5, I guess, but it's giving me a look of $100 vase. And I was thinking of changing the color, but I am okay with this blue because I'm gonna put this in my bonus room. Once I'm done decorating my whole house, I would love to do a house tour video for you guys, but now I'm just sharing these items and they are looking mess. So I got this very nice guy who's very lonely and looking like a Virgo to me. He's sad and sitting on this rock, which is actually marble. I got this maybe for my bonus room, or maybe I'm gonna put this in laundry or washroom, so it's gonna match the theme. I'll show you guys once I put it, but not in this video. In this video, I'm just sharing the items. I'm also a very big fan of wood, if you know me. So I got this very nice, this way, two people riding a bike, and it's a heavy wood material thing. I stick to very basic style to decorate my house, but I'm learning from professionals these days. So at present, I've been taking classes from this amazing lady. Her name is Lauren Cox. She's design program manager at Heavenly. She's amazing at what she does. I'm learning how to decorate my own house like professionals from her. She designed her program very perfectly from A to Z. You guys can learn how to decorate your house, how to choose colors, which colors goes with which thing, or maybe different kind of styles of interior decorating, like farm style, mid-century modern, classic English houses, and you guys can find your style. Even she gonna help you find your own style to decorate your house, and you feel very nice and cozy in that house. So I've been taking her classes, and a very interesting fact, she have around 72,000 students in her class. So that's amazing. And I've been taking these classes on Skillshare, if I haven't told you earlier. If you're not familiar with Skillshare, I must tell you, Skillshare is an online community where they have 1,000 different classes, and the members of Skillshare are around the globe, around 150 countries. And on Skillshare, you guys can learn various kind of different things. They have amazingly designed programs by amazing instructors or teachers. And why Skillshare? Because on Skillshare they add classes every week, so you have something new to learn all the time, and also no ads. So it's amazing to learn from professionals, right? If you want to enjoy the Skillshare platform. You guys must do it because it's amazing. It's free for first 1,000 people to click on my link, which I provided in description box, and you guys can enjoy that for 1 month and learn many things you wanted to learn from many years, months and weeks. So you guys can learn a new skill or maybe embrace the skill you have. So all the links are in description box. So yesterday, me and Himmat, my son, we went to Michael's. They are having 60% off these days. You guys must run to your nearest Michael. So I got these ones for my wall. They're very light, so they are easy to hang. I'm gonna hang them on wall, just this hallway to mudroom. And yeah, so I got these. So I got these amazing wood balls from Winners. They are made in Thailand. They're very nice. You guys can use this many places. You guys can keep this on console table for keys, or you can put this on your vanity for your jewelry, or you guys can use this in kitchen for, you know, serving nuts or chips or cookies to your guest. So I got 4 of these. They are so pretty and I'm a big wood fan. I love them so much. Okay, next thing, I really want to share this with you. I got these big glass vases from Winners. I think normally it's for $15 or $16, but I got on sale. It was $8. I got like 3 of these for different places. I'm gonna put the one in my office. And now these bouquet, I put the picture on my Instagram. So many people asking like where you got these bouquet from. So this is from Michael's, and they are like different stems. I put them together. Look how pretty it's looking on my office table. So हमने जगह change कर ली है. So this is my office bookshelf, which is not finished at all. But यहाँ पे मैंने कितनी सारी items को adjust कर दिया है because I'm gonna decorate slowly and I'm gonna share a few items with you. So I got this beautiful elephant from Marshall's. I really wanted to put elephant in my house because elephant is a very lucky animal. It has some beads in it which smells so good. Because of this, my office room is smelling very nice. So I got one more vase from Marshall's. This one I'm gonna put on my tea table, on my coffee table in my living room. But for now it's here. Actually, this is a very popular style these days. People are buying and getting so crazy for this kinda style. So I got some planters from Winners as well. So this is the one for hanging. I'm gonna put my philodendron in this and hang that in my office. It's black, very nice bamboo kinda finish. And I got one more planter for my plants, looking like this, from Winners. Okay, so I got this very nice English ivy plant from Michael's. So normally it's $49.99, but I got for $20 because of off. I'm gonna hang this somewhere, but now here, glass bottle or vase, and I have some stems to share with you also. And I got these very nice black shiny vases from thrift store. I got 3 of these. I'm gonna put this on my console table. And now this eucalyptus leaves I got from Michael's on 60% off. Because I love real plants, but if you have real plants in your home, you guys can mix and match with a fake one. People won't notice which is real or which is fake. It happens with me so many times. So you have to mix and match to make your house more green. So these are the olive tree stems I got from Amazon. I'm getting so many things from Amazon these days. So they are very nice, original looking. And now I have some DIY projects for me, which I'm gonna share with you in future. So for now, I'm just gonna keep them on ground. Maybe I'm gonna find a good space for them. Okay, so this is a console table I have. I am gonna remove this and I'm gonna put golden framed mirror here. And these are the other black vases I have. And now these baskets, I love baskets, and they make my house look so natural and cozy. So this one I got from Michael's. Michael's have some amazing deal going on right now. So this basket I got for hats or maybe socks or some stuff. And this is from Michael as well. And I got this for 60% off. Okay, so now I have this beautiful lartain, what do you call it? It does have lights in there, so you guys can switch it on and light up at night. It looks so pretty. So I got this to hang. I'm not sure where I'm gonna hang it, but yes, I'm gonna hang this. Oh, let's do a little plant. I got one golden pothos. So I got these amazing looking vases from Amazon, and this thing which I'm allergic to, but I don't know why I got it from Amazon. You know, for Amazon I'm gonna do a separate video where we're gonna talk only about Amazon, which things I really like, and I hope you guys gonna like that video. So ये होने वाली है second last. ये बहुत ही प्यारा black lamp है जिसमें बहुत ही अच्छी gold, white and vintage किस्म की finish है. And this is black, goes with my theme, and it's very nice. I got from Marshalls. जहाँ पे भी आप लैम्प रख दो ना वो जगह रोशन आ जाती है and looks very pretty. Another planter I want to share with you guys is this. It's very heavy actually, so I'm gonna show you. It's very pretty, it's very big, and it's wood kind of finish. Actually, I forgot to share these beautiful stems with you. ये cherry blossom जैसी बहुत ही प्यारी माइकल से ली है मैंने. I think मैंने 5 और 6 ली हैं जिस दिन स्प्रिंग वाले फ्लावर्स पे सेल चल रही थी. So this is very pretty and very nice looking. और मुझे बहुत बहुत बड़ी बड़ी stems बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं. So मुझे लगता है कि ये मैं console table पे रखूँगी. फिलहाल ये finish नहीं है, ऐसे ही रस्टी सा लग रहा है. But later I'm gonna finish this. So that's it for my today's haul. I hope I'm gonna do another one in future soon. If you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also please, you guys must visit that link in description box. First 1,000 people gonna get 1 month free for Skillshare. That's amazing, right? I'm gonna see you guys soon in my new video. Until then, take care guys, and do not forget you guys are beautiful the way you are. Stay happy, confident and strong. You guys can do any freaking thing. All you have to do is think about it and take action. That's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Bye, I love you.